Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're able to join me for this segment of this build, and I'm blessed to have you here. So in the last video we worked on the interior just a little bit. We got some of that assembled. I do have a piece out in the shed right now. I forgot about the armrest on the center console, so we're going to put that in later on. I do like how that brown interior is coming out, and I'll show you the little clip of me out of the shed painting the center console. It's going to be the same color as the interior, nothing special. We did paint the headliner a light tan. The only thing left, I think, is probably to do the blinkers and the corner markers. Today we're going to work on the engine a little bit. We're going to add some more to it, get it a little, start to detail it out a little bit. As you saw in one of the earlier videos, we put bleach on the alternator, try to dechrome that. As you can probably see from the glittering a little bit, or the glistening, it's not fully dechromed. When I see other YouTubers do this, they pour it on and 30 seconds later there's no chrome. These were chrome. It was a very heavy chrome. When I cleaned them up a little bit, it was like flaking off on my hand. They're pre-drilled. We pre-drilled those. You saw that in one of the last videos. To get from dechrome to painted flat black, which is how they're going to stay, it took a total of 4 days. I expected it to take maybe a day. I thought as soon as I poured the bleach on, the chrome would start to fleck off, or however to dissolve. But that wasn't the case. So stay with me. I'm going to rearrange things just a little bit, and we'll get working on the 426 Hemi. Alright, so we're out at the shed. Don't really have a stand out here, but we've got, I don't break them, we've got the 2 valve cover pieces. We've got the piece to dechrome. I think I'll just pour that, get that closed up first. Just a little tiny piece, so I'll probably just won't pour a ton in it. Get the cap on, get that sitting. The last time it took about 4 days, so. Yeah, and it hasn't started to react to this either, so. This is the center console piece that I forgot about. We're going to spray that to brown. Good. We got that done. Give this another shot of the flat black. Not bad. Sorry, it's kind of like silhouetted. I don't know if you're seeing anything or not. I'll include it, but I don't know if it's going to be worth it. So there's that. 4. Gotcha. And not bad. We'll give it a couple days to harden up and be back at it.